All right, guys, 2004 Dodge Ram V10. Look at this thing. SRT 10. Beast. Hoss. Whatever you want to call it. It was so past its time. Dodge needs to bring this back, or Ram needs to bring this back. Start making V10s again. What we got done on it. So came already with stock manifolds. And somebody else did this, as you guys can see from the old welds and all that. So we left all that alone. We don't touch that. Then we ran 2.5-inch MAGNAFLOW, dual in, dual out, and then 2.5-inch tailpipes out the side. He wanted a different look. He didn't want tips on it yet, so we didn't put tips. But here's the MAGNAFLOW. Part number, overall length is 28 inches. Part number is 12568. He wanted a lot quieter, so we said, we got you, and we hooked him up with a little bit quieter. Then we custom bent tailpipes for it, as you guys can see, with hangers and everything. And we just gave him a little bit of a different look like there, with the body lines just clean. Nothing crazy. He didn't want tips. He likes the original look. So that's what we did on it. Look at this thing. Beautiful. And it had all this stuff on it that we took off. All these mufflers and collectors and tip and all that good stuff. SRT 10. That sounds good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you like it or you don't like it. I think it just sounds classy for that kind of truck. What do you think of the sound? She likes it! Sounds neat. I like it. We can. Let you guys hear on the inside. And it's 5-speed? 6-speed. Look at that. It's been converted. That is freaking awesome, guys. Look at that. It's a 6-speed. Give a guess? Wow. Here we go. Let you guys hear on the inside.